Hey guys, we're here in the H Valley. Yeah,
Going to
we're
H
going
Valley.
now kasama. Ano tinasakyan natin? Golf car ba to?
Golf cart.
Ito yung golf car ba to?
Yeah, I think so.
Napaka-ignorante.
Joel is in front.
Joel, andun si Joel sa harap.
Siya yung manager namin. Yeah.
Vlogger yung friend.
Thank you for taking us here. We love it.
Salamat din
Are
sa
you a vlogger?
Salamat,
Are you a
salamat din
vlogger?
sa pagsama.
Yeah. Ang puti-puti mo.
Dito na tayo. We're here. Dito na kami guys.
Naunahan natin yung mga
Maldita. Nauna naman tayo sa kanila, wala silang karapatan.
Mr. Richard, sorry.
No problem.
Okay, sir. I just want to inform you of facilities first. For men's toilet is over there, behind the water fountain. You can cross the bridge and turn right. And for ladies toilet is over there, and one changing room, shower on the outside. And for pool access, we only have one pool access here, including there. Sorry? Including that? Yeah. This one main pool. And over there.
We can go there at the edge, no?
Yes,
That
you
one.
can. And the pool up there and the bar is our private area for our guests in house. Yes, only.
That pool over there is not for us already.
For only in-house guests.
But we can take picture, right?
Yeah. Just fine. Just walk around over there.
Yeah, okay. Just not taking a bath, swimming.
Sir, ang kunin natin ano yung place yung mayroong puno kasi mainit siya.
Sabi lang.
Dito na kami sa ano the edge. See, my friends are busy. Super busy.
May internet sila dito, San? Yup.
You have internet access. Ano ba ang password? No password. Just direct. What?
Wow! Welcome to the Valley.
Thank you.
Iloy, sa to name?
San, ito na yon. Paano na yan? Pa-Darwin na siya, Australia. Dito na. Last na tayo eh. Dulo na. Hi, ate.
Hi! Welcome to the end.
Sige ba? San? Malalim ba siya?
Ha?
Malalim? Malulunod ako.
Oo.
Saan yung malalim doon din?
Turan mo ko doon mamaya.
Hi guys, we're done now. We're going home. This is our last tour for today, and at night we're go back to the we'll go back to Manila.
You have been to Jimbara? Seafood?
Nakakapagod guys. Ang haggard na namin. This is my Ate Irene.
Hi.
Anong masasabi mo te sa sa experience natin sa The Edge?
Edge is spectacular. Nice.
Amazing.
Nice place. Yeah.
Amazing. And the clip is very nice.
Yeah. The view.
Hindi mo siya
The view is expensive.
hindi mo siya madi-describe lang sa isang sa isang word. Dapat maraming word ang gagamitin mo. It's words. Bye bye guys. This is our last tour today.
You know the meaning of that one?
See you Bali. Maybe next year or after next year.
Yeah, the past.
Bye
He want to remember
bye.
the past, but every time he will go, he always remember the past.